Hi, this is Dansoy, amateur cook, aka Batman in the Kitchen. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning recipes as one. Today is a quick food review. I'm going to start doing food reviews on my channel. I used to do those a long time ago. I buy many products for my house to use and also for this channel to cook. So I'm going to start doing food reviews so you can see certain products. And then later on I'm going to cook something with this. But this is by Chosen Foods. It's really good. It's good with veggies, shrimp, and pasta. I just got this sauce the other day, but you can see that it's good with grilled sea bass, vegetables, shrimp, and even gives you some ideas on the side, like pasta, flatbread, and you can pair it with cauliflower rice. So this is a really good product. I already tasted it, and like later on I'm going to make chicken with it over top of quinoa. But this is the food review, and let's take a look inside. Alright, so that's what that sauce looks like. You can see the rich color. And I'm going to make chicken and quinoa pasta with it later. In the description, I'll pair with the ingredients. I'll list what the ingredients are. But that's what the ingredients are. So I'll definitely put it in the description. But if you want to know more, basically it's tomatoes and juice, fire roasted red bell pepper, fire roasted tomato, onion, avocado oil, red wine vinegar, garlic, sea salt, lemon juice, and red chili pepper flakes. But yep, this is that sauce by Chosen Foods, Spanish simmer sauce. So that's your food review. I'm gonna cook chicken like I said, and pasta, quinoa, and I'll link the video to that recipe on this. And like I said, in the description of this video, I'll just list what the sauce is made of. So Dansoy, aka Batman, you have a good day. Wednesday food review, Spanish sauce. Peace.